Good evening. I finally got this done. I was moving along really good Saturday and got to number 6 and kind of hit a wall. Um, mm, so I had Andrew help me walk through this yesterday. Um, it's still really hard for me to understand. I'll get it. So the My Account works, goes to the login. And if you go to the login and you do all this and you can't log in, if you hit create an account, it sends you to create an account, which is awesome. My validator for the main page and my other validator. So here is my Acme page, the registration, and here is the both of the validations, and then my Acme login page. And once again, here's the validations on those. On the login page, if you hit create an account, it takes you to that. And I forgot to show you this one. If you hit my account, it takes you to the login. So I don't know what I'd do without Andrew, and hopefully I can still remember how to make all of this work because it's really hard. I really appreciate you giving us extra time to try to wrap our heads around this because it's really complicated for me, but simple. The things that I had done to try to make all the links work were more than what should have been there, and they would not have worked that way. So I was overdoing, but I had the basics down. So anyway, this is done, and thank you so much for all your videos. I love them. And good night.